Welcome to our channel, where we help you navigate the ever-changing world of social media. Today, we're going to show you how to see the number of comments on your Instagram post. This is a simple, yet essential feature that can help you track engagement and understand how your content is performing. First, open the Instagram app on your device. You'll see a familiar interface with your feed, stories, and more. Now, let's head to your profile. Click on your profile photo located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where all your posts are displayed. Once you're on your profile page, find the post you want to check. Scroll through your feed until you see the post you're interested in and click on it to open it in full view. Now, let's take a closer look at the post. Below the image or video, you'll see several icons, including the heart for likes, the speech bubble for comments, and the paper airplane for shares. Next to the comment icon, you'll see a number. This number represents the total count of comments on your post. It's a straightforward way to gauge how much conversation your content has sparked. If you want to read the comments themselves, just tap on the comment icon, and you'll be taken to a page where you can see all the comments left by your followers. Instagram also offers a feature to view all your past comments across different posts. To do this, go back to your profile page, tap the three lines at the top right corner, and select Your Activity. From there, choose Interactions and then Comments. This will show you a list of all the comments you've made, which can be useful for tracking your own engagement. Understanding your comment count is crucial for social media management. It helps you see what content resonates with your audience and how you can improve your engagement strategies. Whether you're a casual user or a professional managing a brand, knowing how to access this information is key to maximizing your Instagram presence. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you better manage your Instagram posts. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using social media effectively.